Hello everyone, I am Smita and welcome back to my channel. I am going to share a unique photoshoot idea you can try at your home easily through my YouTube video. And before sharing the idea, I am going to tell you that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and do watch my previous videos, do like the videos and do comment how did you get the videos. Yes, I know most of the girls don't have anyone in their family to shoot their photos in a perfect angle so that the girls can share their photos on their Instagram ID. Also, I don't have anyone to shoot my photos in a perfect angle and so that I can post my photos on my Instagram ID. But I shoot my photos by myself. And you girls can shoot your photo by yourself too, so that you have to watch my video till the end so that you can learn the idea how do I shoot my photos and how do I pose for the Instagram post. So without wasting time, let's start. Wait. I am going to use my mom's Saree to the photo shoot. She is not at home, so I can wear her Saree to click my photos. And I just have to do some makeups and I have to set my background for the photos. So let's wear my mom's saree, let's get ready and let's get ready the background and let's get photos. Now I am moving to the step number 1, the wrapping saree part. So let's go.
So I have wrapped the saree and it's time to take makeups. Let's go.
I am almost ready with my makeup, my costume and the hairstyle. It's time to step 3, the background setting. So let's set the background. makeup. I'm ready with my costume. I have set my background and it's time to shoot our photos. I will turn on my screen recording so that I can show you how do I shoot my photos and how do I pose. So let's start. So guys, this was all about my today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and if you create your own self-portraits using this idea, then don't forget to share with me and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram ID Jyotismita. And we'll meet you with another video about taking self-portraits. We'll meet you soon. For now, tada!
Do follow me on my Instagram, and my Instagram ID link is in my bio. Thank you.